One of the traditions of our annual dinner is really presenting our IAM Achievement Award. I'm just going to speak a few words about it. The IAM Annual Achievement Award is intended to recognize individuals and organizations for achieving excellence in their fields, promoting the interests of the Asian Indian community in Minnesota, and advancing understanding between the Indian community and the community at large. Candidates may be nominated under one or more of the following categories: dedicated service to the community, excellence or innovation in the arts, special contribution in leadership and mentoring. And these candidates does not need to be of from India or of Indian origin. They simply need to be connected with the Indian community and have made contributions to the areas that I have mentioned. The awards include a citation and a plate. And for presenting this year's IAM Achievement Award, I invite our President P.G. Narayan to come on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome P.G. Narayan.
Good evening again. It is my pleasure, privilege and an honor to announce 2010 IAM Achievement Award winner. You all want to know who it is, right? That's right. Anybody want to be the Achievement Award winner? Well, let me start again. 2010 IAM Achievement Award winner, Mr. Sudhanshu Mishra. Mr. Mishra, can you come up while I read a brief bio? Mr. Sudhanshu Mishra came to the United States from Orissa, India in 1956 to pursue higher education. He studied in Cleveland, then Michigan to complete his master's in electrical engineering. We have something in common. We're both electrical engineers. He joined Honeywell in 1959 and retired from there in 1990. I think in that period of time I probably had 15 jobs. During and after his working life, he had significant involvement with Indian, Asian and local community at large. Mr. Mishra was the president of India Club, now known as India Association of Minnesota. And during that time, he became active in raising money and distributing food to the needy through food shelf program. In 1987, he was elected to the board of directors of Asia Pacific Council. He has been one of the handful of Indian-Americans to have served on this council and worked with the Asian group in Minnesota, organizing community programs and promoting their various causes. After IAM was well established, Mr. Mishra moved on to School of India for Language and Culture, SILC, where he set up Oriya language program in early 90s. He has involved in the formative stage of Geet Ashram and continued the connection till today. Mr. Mishra started the 55 Plus Club in 1993 under IAM umbrella and provided leadership for the club for 13 years. The 55 Plus Club provided a venue for relaxation and many various from India and Minnesota and India. Mr. Mishra has attended to people during their good time and also more importantly during tough time. He has been source of comfort to the elderly and homebound to whom he has provided transportation when needed. He always had a strong sense of community gathering. In 1986, he started taking a small group from Midwest each year to American Baptist Assembly in Wisconsin, and known as Green Lake, for several days retreat and fun. Tradition continue till today, I think. Mr. Mishra and his wife also started a state-funded boarding house in 1989 the boarding house provided recovery for people who has been treated for chemically dependency, and the boarding house continue to be in operation even today. Mr. Mishra has been recipient of the Council of Asia Pacific Minnesotan Award, a humble person. Mr. Mishra deserves our admiration for this innumerable contribution to the Indian society, India, and local community at large. On behalf of India Association of Minnesota, it is my honor, our honor, and the privilege to award him the IAM Achievement Award for 2010.